Hello friends, welcome to the first channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video I am going to explain you about nullable types in C Sharp. In our previous video I have explained you about this theoretically, but in this video I am going to explain the practical example, the declaration and the usage of nullable types. Friends, before going to our topic, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel. I'm watching that people are seeing my videos but not subscribing. When subscription gives me a new energy for making the video. So I request you that please subscribe. So you can see that in my video studio I have created here the project with the name Nullable Types. This is a console application, and in this project I have one class. The name of the class is program.cs. So initially in the program.cs I have declared normal variable like integer variable. Here you can see on the screen int a equal to 0. A 0 value I have assigned in a variable. After that, I have assigned b variable which is of type double, and I have assigned 0.01 value. So these are our normal variables which we declare, and this variable if we try to insert or assign any null value, it gives the error. After that, you can see that here I have declared one nullable type integer variable. The name of the variable is C, and you can see that I have first written nullable, then in bracket I have written integer angle brackets the data type, and after that variable name, and after that I have assigned 10 to it. So this is a nullable type. It means that it can be in this variable we can assign null values also and integer values also. So in case of assigning null value, it will not give any error. After that, I have declared one more nullable variable which is of type double, and the name of the variable is k. After that, I have declared x variable which is of type nullable int, and I have used the different syntax of nullable declaration, and I have assigned null value to it. So as you can see that here it is not giving any error and everything is okay here. After that in the main method, I have created the object of the class program because I want to use this variable which is of instance variable, so I can access these variables by using the object of this program class. So here I have created the object P of program class. Now here I have declared local variable. Here I have declared one nullable integer variable. Name of the variable is local variable, and I have not assigned any value to it. So you can see that when I am trying to access this variable, it is giving error here because I have not assigned any value to it. It is saying that use of unassigned local variable, so it's giving error. So we cannot access any nullable integer variable or any nullable variable without assigning any value to it. So it gives here error. In the next line, I'm trying to create a nullable variable by using where keyword, and here also I'm getting the error. So it is also not allowed to declare a nullable variable by using where keyword. It is showing the error. The contextual keyword where may only appear within a local variable declaration or in script code. So we cannot use nullable variable here. So we cannot use where keyword here for declaring nullable variables. Now after that, I will comment this, and also here when I will assign value to it, the error will go. You can see that this error has gone, or I can assign null also to it, so it will not give any error. You can see that no error is coming. So it accepts both integer value as well as null value. Now here these are our A and B are our normal variable. These are not nullable. And when I try to insert null value, it gives me error. So normal variable does not accept the null value. These are the int a equal to 0. So here a is of type integer and it is not nullable. So when I am trying to insert null value, it is giving errors. Same thing is with B variable. So this is also clear that we cannot assign any null value to regular variables. After that, I am assigning value 10 to C, and I am creating one variable where a1 equal to p dot c. So this nullable integer variables value I am assigning in the where I am declaring a variable by using the where keyword and I'm assigning, so it is allowing me. After that, I am reading this A1 and P dot A1 value and value of K by using console.writeLine. And here I'm checking the value present in the K variable by means checking here by using the condition if P dot K equal to null. So if null value is there, so it will go here and it will print K has null value. So currently the variable K, it will have null value because it is nullable and it is of type class variable. So class variable by default have null value, not any other values assigned to it. So it will have null value. But here you have seen that when I'm not assigning any value, nullable variable, which I'm creating in any function or method. So if I try to use it without assignment, we were getting the error. So here it is checking the condition, and if it is true, so it will go here, it will print K has null value. After that, I am printing value of C before assignment. So here you can see that I am having here C variable. So it is having 10 value currently. So I will remove it. So before assignment, it is now having, it should have null value here. So it will not print anything because we cannot see null value on the screen. And after printing this, I am assigning 10 value to C. So it will print C on the screen. Now I am creating one implicit like type local variable where this result, and I am assigning, I am checking the value present in K by using P dot K dot get value or default method. So if it will have value, if K will have value, then this method will return the value and it will be assigned here. If it does not have any value, so null value will be assigned to it to result. And in the next line, here I have created one variable is value present by using where keyword, and I am using has value property on this nullable int variable K. So I am using p dot k dot has value. So if it will have any value other than null, then it will return true. If it does not have any other value and if it has null value, then it will return false. And here in the next line, I am printing the result value present in result on the screen, and also I'm printing is value present value on the screen. So now I will run this program. On the screen, you can see that first 10 is printed. So we'll see here. So you can see that in A1, here in C, I am assigning 10 value, and then this C value of C I am assigning in A1, and I am printing A1. So 10 value is getting printed on the screen. After that, I am trying to print value of K. So currently here, P dot K, where is K? Here, K does not have any value. So by default, it will have null value because it is the variable of the class. So the null value we cannot see. So here that is printed, but we cannot see the null value. After that, I am checking the condition for null. So if p dot k equal to null, so it will go inside here and it will print k has null value. So it is printing k has null value because no other values assigned to nullable variable. So by default, it has null value. So the condition gets true and it is printed. After that, we are printing value of C before assignment. So we are printing here P dot C, but we have assigned 10 value to it. So that's why it is printing 10 value here on the screen. After that, so one thing I want to show, I will not assign any value to C. Now P dot C equal, I'm not assigning any value, and I will run it again. So here it is printing value of C before assignment is null, but null we cannot print on the screen. After this, I have assigned 10 value to C. P dot C equal to 10. So after assignment, Value of C after assignment is 10. And now value in result. So this is my result variable. I am checking the value in K. So what's happening? It will return the value if the value is present in K, and K is nullable type variable and it is of type double. So this get value or default will check whether the value is present or not. If present, here it will assign. So on the screen, value in result is 0 because there is no value present in K, and K is a class field. And by default, if a class field does not have any value, default value for double and integer is 0. So the default value is printed here 0. Now after this, I am checking whether the value is present in K variable or not by using the has value property, and it will return true or false with boolean value. So it is printing here value in is value present is false because K does not have any value. There is no assignment. So these are the use of this get value or default method and has value property. So this is all about the nullable types in C sharp. Our next video will be very interesting, and I am telling you that please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please go to my channel handle www.youtube.com/@developerstube. So you will find very much beneficial videos. At last, I want to say that thank you and bye.